Wawasee Plaza today, and I thought I'd go over the RFID system and how it works. We have a motion sensor here. You can see how I walked up to that door and it turned red. It stays red for quite a while, and then it kicks off. What that does is it will unlock this magnet automatically if it is in after hours. Let me run this through here real quick. You can see how that is red, and it will remain unlocked because the hours are, during business hours. At 7:15 they hard lock, so you can see at that point in time you would use your key fob that has been provided to you if you have access, if you need access to Wawasee Plaza. You've been assigned a key fob, and what you do is you simply run that, it'll unlock the door, and you can open. You can do that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, at any point in time if the building is locked. So if you're a tenant, you'll have access to those. There is another key fob over here. These breezeways are all available for everybody. You can see this key fob here, same thing, and it will unlock the door. Right now the door is open and usable at any point in time because there is, it's not 7 p.m., business hours are still open. So these go all the way around the building. There's one on this side that go up to apartments. You can see that there is a door right here as well, and that will open up this door. So once if it's hard locked, it'll lock that right back up. Show you where all the other ones are here. We've got one down in the alleyway. Hi, Patrick. How are you doing?
Oh, all right.
Yeah?
My kid.
Oh, yeah?
My kid today.
Uh-huh.
I'm the pokey.
Gotcha. So this is the RFID system here, and you can open it, and you would normally be able to just pull that open. But you would just be able to click that, open up the door, and the other one is around the back here.
Yep, that's what I'm going to work on first thing in the morning.
Okay, cool.
I had to get him his clothes and some money.
So I'll show you the other last door here at Wawasee Plaza. That way everybody is aware where these doors are. We're not going to be using old keys anymore, so if you have an outdoor key, those need to get returned back to us so we can put them in the maintenance key box. But the last key fob is right here. So that is all of the key fobs at Wawasee Plaza. If you are in need of getting access to Wawasee Plaza, put a maintenance ticket in and we will get one provisioned for you. Or you can ask answers and we will also get that set up for you. So that is the key fob system at Wawasee Plaza.